Greetings from Max Munis. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I am the career counselor of Max Munis. Today, I am going to explain few things on Python training job support for corporate and individual. Project support for corporate and job support for individual via Python freelancers or agency. We are 15 years old company. MaxMunis is one of the best online Python job support company. Whether implementing new products or upgrading your current environment, MaxMunis can provide remote Python job support for the functional and technical aspects of your project. We ensure your project's success at a lower cost than having an on-site consultant and without the skill gap, time zone, and communication issues experienced when offshoring project roles. More efficient and cost effective services from dedicated Python freelancers who know your business and your system. Hire Python freelancers for implementation consulting and outsourcing of Python projects. Hire Python freelancers and get Python freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Python freelancers for implementation and outsourcing projects and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer current and future challenges. Outsource Python work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solution, resources and training. Moving on to the next, we have agenda, introduction, flexible packages, features and benefits, consulting range. We will be covering these aspects in this session. Python freelancers for Python support. If you are working on a Python products and facing any problem while working on it and you want to outsource Python projects, then MaxMunis is just a call email away to provide you Python help. We provide Python online job support for professionals to help them perform their tasks on Python products. We have a wide range of Python subject matter experts, highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in this field. They are certified and have done 10 to 15 implementation projects. They exclusively work with us as Python freelancers. We provide Python job support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individual, we provide Python freelancers who will do Python job support or Python project support in their projects remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a Python freelancers who provide project support for their IT projects. Our Python freelancers can provide end-to-end Python project support as well as Python implementation support. Python freelancers are available in your time zone. It can be USA, UK, India, Europe, as per your requirement. Process we follow. We receive your inquiry for Python online job support. We will arrange a conference call with our consultant to understand your complete requirement and the tools you are using. If our consultant is 100% confident in taking up your requirements and when you are also comfortable with our consultant, then only we will agree to provide services and you have to make the payment to get the service from us. We will fix the timing for the Python job support or Python helpers mutually agreed by you and our consultant. We have a wide range of Python consultant available who can provide end-to-end complete Python implementation support in your project in your specified time duration. The best part with us is that you just need to share your requirement with us and rest all will be done by Max Munis and your project starts. Flexible packages. Our website is considered as the best Python job support company and the best website to hire Python freelancer. We have designed some very flexible plan which will help the employee to find and hire Python freelancer as per their need. Even Python implementation support in highly complex project is also possible. Paper ticket. If you have any technical issue in your job and you want to take Python job support to solve those issues, then you can raise a ticket by contacting us by either email or phone. So this plan is for those who want our service on a ticket basis. Pay per hour. If you have some technical issue in your job and you want to Python help from our experts for continued guidance in solving the issue, then you can optimize this hourly plan. Take online Python job support for required hour and pay only for those hour consumed. Pay per month. If you have some major technical issue in your job and you need Python help, then our experts provide continuous guidance in solving all the issue and you can optimize this monthly plan. Take online Python job support for the whole 1 month and get smooth Python freelancer support from the complete month. Discuss issue wherever it arises. We will provide step-by-step Python installation guide and we will help you to complete your project well in time. Emergency support plan. If you are looking for some immediate solution in solving any issue, then this plan is best for you. Get Python job support immediately. Our expert will be available on immediate basis to solve your query. Features and benefits. Customize Python freelancer services for individual as well as corporate. It will be smoother flow of projects with us and you will be able to 24/7 tracking of Python projects. It will be ultimate cost-effective solution. As we have 15 years of experience, we are quite capable of handling with data and security challenges. Next, Python project consulting range. Max Munis provide customized Python job support services remotely via online for individual candidates and corporate clients. Max Munis is considered as the best freelancer Python consulting company and the best Python implementation support partner for its clients. Max Munis has expertise in all products of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. In all the above mentioned companies' products, you can confidently outsource Python projects to us. We can support you from 1 hour work to 1 year contractual work. Functional and technical application consultants for resolving issue, application support resources for coordinating issue across other team. Technical consulting including application database and administrator and project managers to provide overall management of your projects. Our freelance Python crew has deep expertise in products and solution and has the ability to implement complex solution and provide post-implementation project support also across anywhere in the world. Some of the areas are mentioned below. Project management, project quality assurance development, process optimization and system optimization, workforce system optimization, implementation and post-implementation supports. Dreams. As you know, we have a wide range of Python subject matter experts. They exclusively work with us as Python Freelancer. We provide Python project support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individual, we provide Python Freelancer who will do Python job support or Python project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a Python Freelancer who provide project support for their IT projects. Our Python freelancers can handle end-to-end Python implementation as well as Python project support. Hire Python freelancers and get Python freelancers support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Python freelancers for implementation and outsourcing projects and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer current and future challenges. Outsource Python work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system, implementation solution, resources and training. Next, best website to find and hire Python freelancer. This Python training is all inclusive program that will introduce you to the Python development language and expose you to the essential of object-oriented programming, web development, etc. This course will give you hand-on development experience and prepare you for a career as a professional Python programmer. Python is a object-oriented high-level language, interpreted, dynamic and multi-purpose programming language which is easy to learn yet powerful and versatile scripting language which make it attractive for application development. Python is currently the fourth most popular programming language in the world. This is why it demands for skilled Python professionals keep growing at an incredible rate. Python support. Max Munis is Python project consulting company. Python project support for corporate and job support for individual via Python freelancers or Python implementation. Python freelancers hire Python freelancers and get online Python job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Outsource Python projects and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get out of the IT solutions offering system implementation solution resources and training. Talking about Python project consulting, Max Muniz is a 15-year-old trustworthy Python project consulting company. We have received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. Get customized Python job support to individual in their projects. Python support for corporate. We have customized Python project support as per company's Python project requirement. Company will be having flexibility to choose location mode, on-site, online, and we will arrange professional as per the requirement. Companies will have flexibility to select Python freelancers from a pool of professional subject matter experts. Our industry-specific subject matter experts will provide excellent help in Python implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employee to start working on the projects from day one. Benefits for individual person. Customize support as individual Python project requirement. Get complete Python job support. We will help employee to start working on the projects from day one on Python projects. Flexibility to choose a schedule and work and learn on Python projects as per individual requirement. We will arrange industry-specific subject matter experts to provide Python job support for your Python projects. We will provide step-by-step progress assessment of your Python project. Python market opportunity. Let's talk about current Python market opportunity. I have written top best jobs website USA, UK, Europe and India. You can apply and get Python job across the globe and wherever you stuck in project, we are there with you. Hire Python freelancers and get customized Python support in online or remotely. These are our top clients for whom we have already provided Python job support in India as well as outside India. Python support across globe. Max Muniz has successfully conducted 10,000 plus freelancers Python support for implementation and outsourcing projects for individual and corporate clients. Get Python support across the globe. Hire Python freelancers from Hyderabad, Bengaluru, India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, USA, etc. Why Max Muniz? One of the biggest challenge why big IT projects are not shared on freelancing site is that most of the time the relevant top set of IT skill professional is not available to work as a freelancer. Max Munis is considered the best freelancer Python consulting company. Max Munis has the expertise in all products of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. Python as well. Step by step Python guide and solution on all tickets of above mentioned companies and their products. Hire Python freelancers online or subject matter experts after seeing the review will not be a great idea when it comes to IT projects because all products are time bound. Hence, we provide complete customized solutions to you. We will arrange a video conference call with the subject matter experts. The client can discuss everything with him. Once the client gets satisfied regarding the expertise of the subject matter experts or expert Python freelancers, then only he needs to pay. If anything goes wrong, An immediate replacement will be provided by Max Minus at no cost. The money will be released to Python freelancers or subject matter experts at various levels of project completion after approval from the client. Conclusion: Python support. On concluding, I may say that we will help you with below mentioned details. Hire Python freelancers and get online Python job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Customize Python support as per company's Python project's requirement. Industry-specific senior subject matter experts will be arranged who know your Python project well in advance and have done very good implementation projects on the same. Outsource Python projects and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solution, resources and training. Customize Python support for individual for Python job support in their Python projects. For any more further information or if you want to enroll with us for Python job support session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID. It contact@maxmanage.com, and one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in Python, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the entire Python job support session with Max Muniz. Thank you.